Hello friends. uh, at this time I want to continue for this chickens. What I did, I've added paprika, very small spoons, and this spice, same thing. I added a little bit by this spoon, and I mix it, I hold it, I keep it like that. This food very delicious with garlic, with onion, and with pepper, black pepper. Okay friends, in this time I put oil a little bit, any oil, kind of oil you like it, and put those chickens like that, slip it in the oil. Okay, I just shown off. Okay friends, 2 cup rice, or 3 or 4, it depends for how many people. I just washed it with cold water, and I put that water inside and the salt, and I will keep it here for 1 hour. Okay friends, I just put it 1 cup yogurt in my cup like that, and I have a juice, saffron juice, and I have 2 eggs and a little bit salt. I want to mix those to make a tahini for my food. Okay friends, 2 eggs, I put it in my yogurt, and I will add it salt and my saffron. I will add this one too, and I will mix this one like that. I add 1 more glass water in this my rice bowl, and I will make it to boil by the high temperature. Okay friends, this my rice and water. After 1 hour I am putting in my pot like that, and I will put this on oven to get cook a little bit and finish the water. Okay friends, in this time you will see I didn't add any water. I didn't add anything. The same time my chickens give juice himself like that. Okay friends, in this time I just keep it to my rice is boiling, and the water automatically finish, almost finished, and I will show you what I will do. Okay dear friends, I will do like that. I want to just show you. I put my rice here like that in this dish, and I will keep it the water gone. Sorry. And I close the water because this is very hot. When I do, I will open a little bit cold water to not burn myself or do something. I will just keep my water. This water should be gone, all of those. Nothing stay with my rice. When its water get empty, and I will put it back in my pot. Okay, this juice I was keep it. I will put my rice like that inside. I'm just mixing this by the chicken juice by the rice. 2 spoon oil, I just put it on top, and I will keep it few minutes by the lower temperature, and by like that I will keep it like that just 10 minutes. I will mix it like that. Rice by the juice, the tomato juice, not tomato juice, by this. Okay my friends, this is after 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I will add a few spoons rice in my this pudding juice. I make it like that. I mix it. Okay friends, this I mix it like that, and I put it oil. Okay, my friends, I just put my rice with this juice like tahine. I make it like that. I just put it in my pot and I mix it very soft like that. And I want to add it my chickens on top. We will put all chickens like that on the top of those rice, yellow rice with the saffron and eggs. Okay, dears, I just put my chickens like that, and I will put all others rice back to this pot. Okay, friends, I just make saffron juice like that with hot water and very small spoon. I just put saffron, and this saffron juice I will put it on top of my rice like that. Okay, my rice it's ready right now. You see.